Hi guys, sitting in the car. Nanny's visiting her friends, but just before we left, postman arrived. So we'll do an unboxing. AliExpress, I think, and I think it's a Hovercraft. It's basically a drone, but it's a hovercraft. Last year I did a series of videos playing in puddles. I put little boats on various puddles around and about. And when I saw this I thought, yeah, we could do playing on puddles with a hovercraft. So, for DRC, just for dreams, oh yeah. Sea, land, air, multiple modes drive. Yeah, as you can see, it's basically a drone with a foam bottom. Can we get it out? Oh, there we are. Hopefully 2.4 gigahertz. I hope it is. It might be infrared, but I'm pretty sure it's 2.4. Good start. Try and get that out. Okay. Chargeable. So we're not going to be flying it or hovering it until it's charged up. Let's have a look at the... Right. There are lots of YouTube videos and Thingiverse files for printing something like this to stick your little drone on. So we can use it as a drone on the ground or as a hovercraft. On, off. There we go. So we do have a drone, but I bought it because I want to use it as a hovercraft. I guess we've got to take it off anyway. I could look at the instructions, assuming there are some. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's the battery. Oh, wow. Oh, that's handy. Right. Well, that's fair enough. Right. Oh, yes, there are some instructions. And they're in English. I thought it'd be interesting because I will be using it as a hovercraft. So I don't think that the drone rules should apply. But if I wanted to fly it as a drone, then I would have to be registered, I think, even for these stupid little ones nowadays. Switch off and unplug battery when the battery of the aircraft is used up and charge after 30 minutes rest. I wonder if I can charge it off one of my power banks that I got in the car here, just so we can see if it switches on. This is the bit we want. Airplane mode, short press. Land mode, short press. Water surface mode, short press. In other words, you press it 3 times, I guess. Headless mode, short press. 1 key return, long press. Oh well, it'll be fun trying to figure out how it works. 3 AAA batteries. Ah, right. I don't think I might have some AAA batteries in the boot of the car, because I do carry spares of everything for when we're on holiday. So, turn the drone on first, then turn on the controller. Okay, well, we're not going to be doing anything much with it at the moment, but I will just see if I can get that on charge. With one of my power banks. They're not very powerful power banks, that's why I'm being a bit cagey as to whether it'll charge up or not. Right, so plug that in there. Yeah, it's only a little one. It says 4,000 milliamp hours. Well, that's never the truth. Lights are on there. The red light on the aircraft will go out when charging is complete. Well, I'm not seeing any red light anywhere. So either we haven't got enough power in the power bank to charge it, or it's fully charged already. Yeah, I'm not seeing any red light anywhere. But the lights are on there, so it is taking charge. Let's go get some AAA batteries out the boot. Back in a minute. Right, I did have some AAA batteries in the boot. 3 I think we wanted, didn't we? Just looking at the date on them. 08/2026. Ooh, we had light on straight away. Okay, well that's a positive start. Yeah, I don't see any red light anywhere there. That is still showing charging. Did I misread that? Does the red light come on when it's finished charging? Nope, red light will go out. Red light will go out when charging. Ah, right. The red light will always be on when the battery is full, so I did misread it. So we don't get a red light until it's fully charged, wherever that red light might be. I think we'll stop for now. I might do something else while we're waiting. I don't think we're going to get it fully charged from that power bank. That's dropped down to 3 LEDs now instead of the full 4. I think I'll just plug it in and see if we've got enough power to check that it actually works. So, oh, there's the red LED that we're talking about. Right, okay. So that's what we're waiting for, that one to go red. But as I say, I'm just going to plug it in. Yeah, that's the right place. Okay, we're in. Switch it on. We have flashing LEDs. Switch that one on. Okay, we are bound. Okay. We have fans blowing. This one has a auto takeoff. Yeah. All right, so at least we know we can get power in there and it does switch on, but we won't actually try flying it as such. Yeah, that'll do for now. We'll charge it up properly and give it a try. Probably means we'll do that at home, which will be safe anyway. We can do it on the kitchen floor. Just have it go around there for a few minutes. But the reason for buying it was for playing in puddles. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.